My name is Prilly Anderson. My husband, Herbal Anderson, wasn't on the NuSpecies. He used to have a lot of problem with his blood sugar, could never control. So we get into this body system, and from maybe 3 years now, it control. He's doing well. You know, he doesn't have to take he's trouble with the high blood pressure. He doesn't have to take the blood pressure tablets anymore because it's really good. It helps. It helps him a lot. You know, he's suffering with his eyes, messed up a little bit, can't see. And I think what the body system does, it stabilizes his eyesight, because the doctor said pretty soon it will just go. The sight will just cut off. So 3 years now is still like that, and we're happy with that. The doctor said operation would help, 50-50 chance. Might see a little bit again, and as well it might cut off completely because of the eyes damaged so bad. So it's bleeding from the back, and from taking the body system, it controls. He went to get his monthly checked up. The doctor even said, Mr. Anderson, whatever you're doing, you should continue to do what you're doing. Yeah, that's what the doctor said. It's okay, Mr. Anderson, your blood sugar is okay. Your everything, for somebody suffering with diabetes for many years, before 3 years, and every organ in his body is good. So it's still there. It's still hanging on. 3 years now, it's still hanging on. He's still hanging on. I used to have the aches and pain in my joints, my feet. It's gone because I could not do anything. Like I worked, but I was suffering. Mm-hmm. Like I was suffering with pains, and my joint, my knees was suffering. Someday I had to bend my knee. I don't do that no more. It is good for me. Even the allergy, I was so sick. With the allergy, I was so sick. I just can't stand sneeze. If I look at you, I sneeze. That was how it was bad. At night, even my husband said, "We have no more allergy. It's gone." I said, "Yeah, I can sleep at night, sleep like a baby." "Oh, you do it all at work?" Everybody said, "I can't believe you're at this age and you do this." I'm 65. I want to get into stuff that I don't know again. I want to stick to this stuff that I really know. 3 years, I really want to stick with it. I don't want to get into stuff again to change up routines. And I want to stick to this. As I said, I'm investing in this.